Find the second highest salary without limit. So many of us solving this problem like this. Select salary from employees, order by salary, descending order. Limit 1, offset 1. Here, offset 1 skip the first highest salary and limit 1 fix the next one. That is nothing but second highest salary. Because of that I am taking here. Once we execute this query, we get result like this. This is our original table. In original table, 95,000 is the highest salary. 90,000 is the second highest salary. That one only we got here, 90,000. This is good approach, but here we have to solve this problem without using limit. So for that, I would like to let you know second method. That method is using subquery. First, let me write the query. After that, I will explain step by step. Select highest from employees where salary less than. If I run this query, we get result like this. So this is the second salary. Here, this is the inner query. If I write this inner query, we get result like this. This is the 95,000. That is nothing but first highest salary. We can see here, this is the first highest salary. So this inner query give us 95,000. So after that we have give here condition. The salary less than 95,000. That means here salary less than 95,000, right? This line works like this. So after 95,000, 90,000 is the second highest salary. So because of that we got here 90,000. So this is the second method. But there are some edge cases. We can see here in this table we have only one salary, right? For this that subquery method works. Yes, that works. I will show you whether it works or not. For that I have written query. Here I am given table name one salary. Since we have this table one salary, because of that I am taking here one salary. If I execute this query, we got here null is the second highest salary. Why? Because since we have one salary here, second highest salary is the null value. Because of that we got here null value. Second edge case is the duplicate values. Here for 3 employees we have same salary, right? That is nothing but 75,000. For this case also that subquery works. I will show you whether it works or not. For that here I have taken table name as same salary. Since we have same salaries for the all employees, once we execute this query, here also we got the null for the second highest salary. Why? Because here we have only one salary, right? That is nothing but 75,000. After this second highest salary is a null. Because of that we got null value here. There is one more edge case is there. That is nothing but we can see here 1 lakh is the first highest salary. For that here we have duplicate value. So for this also our subquery method works. I will show you. For that here I am taking table name as duplicates. Once we run this query, we got here 90,000. Here 1 lakh is the first highest salary. Second highest salary is the 90,000. So that is nothing but subquery methods. There is another method is that we can solve that problem by using distinct keyword. We can see here, I used here distinct keyword. If I run this query, I got the same result, 90,000. And another one more method is there. That method is nothing but using not in. You can see here, I used here not in. If I execute this query, I got the same result here. So that's it.